Hello everyone! I'm so excited for you all to join me today because this is a very special video because I have gotten my diet plan from that was a bit intense. My diet plan from my naturopath. So yeah, don't pay attention to my greasy face. I feel like you all are used to my greasy face at this point now. Like, that's just what sunscreen does. Anyway, I hope you are all having an amazing day. The sun is shining, it's out more often, and I'm just so happy for that. Definitely open all your windows and just breathe in that good fresh air. Anyway, the diet that my naturopathic doctor put me on is called the SIBO BI-PHASIC diet. It's a 3-month treatment protocol to help restore function of the small intestine. So this is just a video just like talking about what exactly my diet is entailing and like what the heck it is basically. And the information I'm referencing is from Dr. Nirala Jacobi from the SIBO doctor. I can link down their information down below if you're interested in reading up more about this. What is SIBO? Defining it. So it stands for small intestine bacterial overgrowth. So it's a bacteria normally found in the large intestine, and then it basically overgrows into the small intestine, creating some issues. They go into detail with every single one. I don't think I'm gonna read everything, but it just basically says like they damage the microvilli, motility. SIFO, which is small intestine fungal overgrowth, may occur as well after getting SIBO. Basically, your body could not absorb nutrients properly because the microvilli are not working, or microvilli, I have no idea how to say it. Basically, it's like fermentation that's happening in your gut or your intestines, and then the fermentation produces methane and hydrogen gas, and then also can cause leaky gut, which I feel like a lot of people know about more so. It's a bit more popularly mentioned, which can cause inflammation. So yeah, that's basically like the summarization of all that. So basically the SIBO diet, BI-PHASIC diet, is called the low FODMAP diet, and I feel like a lot of people know about this. It's so popular. It stands for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, and monosaccharides, and polyols. Oh my gosh. So it's a specific carbohydrate diet. The goal of the protocol is to help eliminate bacterial overgrowth from the small intestine. The BI-PHASIC diet protocol uses a phased approach to diet and treatment, which limits the side effects of bacteria fungal to die off, basically. So you're killing off the bacteria through this diet, because I think there's a certain amount of like undigestible carbohydrates, or like carbohydrates that ferment in the gut, basically. I believe, don't quote me on that. Again, I'll link this down below. The website down below. So the first phase of the diet eliminates all grains, legumes, dairy, sugar, and certain vegetables and fruits. Canned, processed, and fermented foods are to be avoided in phase 1, but some will be reintroduced for phase 2. Obviously, every phase is 1 month, hence adds up to 3 months. It's important to note that fermentable fibers are an important part of a healthy diet as they feed our microbiome. So the goal of the treatment is to eventually reintroduce these fibers back again from the certain carbohydrates that we are currently cutting out. Phase 1 is reduce and repair, so that's 4 to 6 weeks, which I'm currently in this phase right now. First phase of the diet focuses on reducing fermentable starches and fibers, which is necessary to starve bacteria of their preferred fuel so they will begin to die off. Woo! Hopefully they'll die off soon. I feel so evil saying that. I'm killing bacteria in my body. So repairing the damage to the integrity of the intestinal lining, as well as repairing proper digestion, and key element of this phase. So yeah, your practitioner may prescribe digestive support, gut healing nutrients, and targeted probiotics to repair. I'm not even in the probiotic phase, because again, if you have underlying gut issues and acne, probiotics and prebiotics will not help. Most likely they will actually make the symptoms worse, or they won't fix them, because you have to fix the underlying leaky gut or SIBO issue with your digestive problems and gut problems. Okay, and then phase 2 is remove and restore. That's also taking about 4 to 6 weeks. So removing the remaining overgrowth, bacteria, and fungi from the small intestines. In this phase of the protocol, antimicrobials will be prescribed by your practitioner. While still a low fiber diet, the protocol becomes a bit more lenient to allow for some bacterial growth so that antimicrobials are more successful. But yeah, basically I'll say that in the diet. But basically this is the diet. Yay! Okay, so that's all the jibba jabba. I just wanted to touch base. So phase 1, what I'm currently in, I'm just gonna talk about phase 1 just because I'm currently in this phase. I feel like to go through phase 2, it's gonna be a long video. If any of you are joining me too on this experience, again, talk to a medical professional or naturopath. I'm not certified, so definitely get the help you need from a naturopath. But if you happen to go to one and you are happening to be on this diet as well, then feel free to watch my videos as motivation. I don't know. Anyway, because I'm gonna be posting my first what I eat in a day video next Sunday. So basically all dairy products you have to avoid. So vegetables, the unlimited vegetables you can eat are alfalfa sprouts, bamboo shoots, bok choy, capsicum, carrot, chives, cucumber, eggplant, ginger, kale, lettuce, olives, radicchino, radish, rocket, spring onion, the green part only, sunflower sprouts, tomatoes / dry tomatoes, and whitloaf. I don't know what the heck whitloaf is. It sounds like some sort of supernatural. It sounds like a character I would find in like Lord of the Rings or something. Whitloaf. I don't know. So vegetables, 1 per meal is asparagus. You could have 1 spear, artichoke hearts, 1/8 cup, beetroot, 2 slices, broccoli, 1/2 cup, Brussels sprouts, 2 each, cabbage, 1/2 cup, celery, 1 stick, celery root, 1/2 cup, chili, 28 grams, fennel bulb, 1/2 cup, green beans, 10 each, peas, 1/4 cup, pumpkin, 1/4 cup, snow peas, 5 pads. I don't know what the heck a pad is. Spinach, 15 leaves. I'm like, that's so specific. Zucchini, I guess all these are so specific. Zucchini, 3/4 cup. So basically those amounts, you can have 1 of them per meal. You can't like have a lot of them. You can only choose 1 out of everything I just said, and per meal. Otherwise it'll feed that bad bacteria or whatever you don't want. Fruits, you could have 2 servings a day. So lemons and limes, they don't have any specific amount, so I assume that's unlimited. So the ones that actually have measurements are avocado, 1/4, banana, 1/2, berries, 1/2 cup, cherries, 3, citrus, 1 piece, 10 grapes, 1/4 cup honeydew, 1 piece of kiwi, 5 lychees, 1 piece of passion fruit, 1/4 cup of pawpaw, I don't know what that is either, 1/4 cup of pineapple, 1/2 small or 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds, 1 stalk of rhubarb, 1/4 cup of rockamelon, and then basically avoid all grains, starches, breads, and cereals. But the semi-restrictive option is you can have 1/2 cup of either white basmati or jasmine cooked rice, so that's like 124 grams of cooked rice per serving. But if you want to go strict, then avoid it. I'm currently not strict yet because I'm just starting my first week. So I'm hopefully gonna work my way up to cutting everything of that out, because all the fruit I just mentioned is also semi-restricted, because really you shouldn't have any fruit on this diet. Lemons and lime should be like the only thing, but again, I'm semi-restricted right now. So legumes, beans, and lentils, you can't have anything. Beverages, you can only have 1 cup of coffee a day. You could have unlimited amount of like tea and herbal teas, which I have plenty of those. The only sweetener you could use is stevia, 100% pure, no inulin, which I put stevia in my smoothies, my tea, of course. So the nuts and seeds you could have is 10 almonds per meal, or 2 tablespoons of almond flour. You could have 1/4 cup of coconut milk without thickeners or gums. Again, no thickeners or gums or fillers in anything. It has to be like pretty natural. So yeah, no fillers. 10 hazelnuts, 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, or 20 macadamias, 10 pecans, 1 tablespoon of pine nuts, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons of sunflower seeds, or 10 walnuts per meal. So condiments, so you could have like any type of vinegar, whether it's apple cider, plain white or red. Wasabi you could have. All fresh and dried herbs and spices, but not the spice blends. Turmeric and ginger are particularly beneficial as they are anti-inflammatory, and these are like unlimited amount to these condiments. And then fats and oils, again unlimited fats and oils. So coconut, flax, grapeseed, MCT, olive, polyunsaturated vegetable, pumpkin seed, sesame, sunflower, or walnut. Those are the oils that you can have. Phew, okay. So that is literally everything I just read that you can eat and can't eat, I guess. I don't know. Whew. But yeah, that was a lot. Anyway, so yeah, that is currently a summarization of everything that you can eat, everything that I'm currently eating. So again, I work with what I have. So again, since this diet is so restricted, you can stay tuned for what I eat in the days. I am definitely surviving. I'm not just surviving, I'm thriving on this. So yeah, I feel good, I feel energized. I could also take you grocery shopping with me, a bunch of those videos. I think they're gonna be super fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes, okay. I have to calm down. This is true adulting, when you're excited over just killing the bacteria in your gut because of SIBO. I've never thought I'd be so excited over that. My younger middle school self would be just like so confused with me right now and just being like, what the heck? I never thought I would be so excited over this. Anyway, I'm gonna be starting to post 3 times a week. I'm so excited. So anyway, if you want to see more of me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means so much to me. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. I post every Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays now, 3 times a week, because I am done school and I will be able to have more free time for you all. well, which I'm so excited. I've just never been so happy. Anyway, all my links to my social medias will be down below, as well as my second YouTube channel, which is an artist channel for when I release my music. If you all don't know, my name is Sonia and I'm a music producer and I produce music. So if you're into like things like EDM pop music, then please consider subscribing to my second channel, so then you'll be notified when I release my first single, which I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so looking forward to it. And yeah, virtual kisses and hugs, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.